Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that every content creator can relate to, the common mistakes we often make after hitting that upload button. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these insights can help you refine your process and elevate your content. Let's get started. First up, one of the biggest pitfalls is neglecting to engage with your audience right after your video goes live. Remember, your viewers are excited to connect. Take the time to respond to comments and foster that community spirit. It not only shows you care, but also encourages more interaction in the future. Next, don't forget to analyze your video's performance. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a new upload, but taking a moment to review analytics can provide invaluable insights. Look at watch time, audience retention, and engagement rates. These metrics can guide your future content decisions and help you understand what resonates with your audience. Another mistake is failing to promote your video across different platforms. Just because you've uploaded, it doesn't mean everyone will see it. Share snippets on social media, engage in relevant online communities, and don't hesitate to reach out to your email list. The more you promote, the wider your reach. Also, be mindful of your video's thumbnail and title. These elements are your first impression, so make sure they are eye-catching and accurately represent your content. A compelling thumbnail and title can significantly increase your click-through rate, drawing more viewers in. One common oversight is not updating your video description or tags after uploading. These elements are crucial for searchability. Take a moment to optimize them with relevant keywords to help your video reach a broader audience. Don't forget to check your video for any errors or issues post-upload. Whether it's a typo in the description or a missed edit in the video itself, addressing these quickly can maintain your credibility and professionalism. Another mistake is overlooking the importance of follow-up content. After a successful upload, think about how you can build on that momentum. Consider creating related videos or a series that keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Lastly, remember to take a breather. It's easy to feel the pressure to constantly create, but giving yourself time to recharge is essential. Creativity thrives when you're not overwhelmed, so don't hesitate to step back and gather your thoughts. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these tips help you avoid common pitfalls after your uploads and enhance your content creation journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.